Hi, my name's Kevin. I'm the Factory Cat rep in the Northeast, and today we're going to talk about the Sanitation option package on Factory Cat walk-behind floor scrubbers. So the first thing you'd notice about this machine is the tanks are lime green, and that is because these tanks are a different polymer than our traditional red tanks. They have an antimicrobial effect, and what that will do for you is, everybody knows when the scrubber gets older, it starts to smell bad, and that is actually bacteria that's growing within the micropores of the polymer. The green antimicrobial tank prevents that growth. So when we clean this machine out and we rinse it, there is no bacterial growth within the pores of the polymer. So just one level of clean within the machine as part of how it's built. The next feature on the machine is this 3-gallon tank that's mounted on the front. It can be removed. It's got 2 screws up top, and it's held in the center with the center bolt that holds the bando on. And there's butt connectors for the power for the pump that drives it. So this system is made for you to put disinfectant in here. And when you power it up using the switch at the back of the machine, the 100 PSI pump delivers water to this misting sprayer, and it's a V-spray. And what a customer would do with that is wet any surface with disinfectant. The wand puts out at a rate, if you walk down a surface slowly, it puts a thin film of water or a thin film of disinfectant that evaporates in 10 minutes. And the way that disinfectants work is that dwell time is required to guarantee the kill. So it puts down the right amount of film on a surface so that in 10 minutes the surface is dry and you got your 10 minutes of dwell time to fully disinfect. So put your disinfectant in, blended to the disinfectant manufacturer's recommendation, wet any critical surfaces, touch surfaces, toilets, countertops in a kitchen, tabletops, wet them and walk away. When it evaporates, effectively the surface is disinfected. As I said, that could be removed, which just leaves you with the scrubber itself if you didn't want to be going through your building scrubbing with the tank on the front. And the last thing that is part of the sanitation package, you see the logo on the side, 03, and that is Factory Cat's Aqueous Ozone system. We draw air into the machine, we generate ozone inside a pair of Corona generators and inject it into the water that is scrubbing the floor. So ozone has more than a 100-year history and extensive documentation of its ability to clean as an oxidizer and disinfect. And again, with that 10 minutes of dwell time, it will sanitize a surface. We have documentation to back that up that we provide to customers. And if you don't have it, reach out to your Factory Cat rep to get it. It's a digital document with links to federal government, USDA, FDA studies on aqueous ozone. But again, that dwell time is what we need if we're trying to sanitize a floor surface. We're going to double scrub water on the surface and keep it wet for 10 minutes, vacuum that water up, and that surface is now clean and sanitized.